everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Edward, and in this video I'll be showing you how to clean your dirty Apple Earpods. And let's dive into it. Before we get started, the first thing you want to get is a hearing aid cleaning tool that costs less than $10 from Amazon, and it comes with 6 cleaning tool kits. And you also may have a hearing aid case as well. But since you're using an EarPod or AirPods, you just only need these 3, which is the steel pick, the cleaning brush, and the wax loop. And also you need a wipes for cleaning your AirPods. So the first thing I wanted to do is I wanted to inspect my EarPods to see if there's any wax. As you could turn around, like there's wax over here and there's some wax over here. As you can see, like let me try to zoom this up. As you can see that there's a lot of wax. We try to zoom it up, like it's a lot of needs to be doing a lot of cleaning. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to use these the wax loop. That's what this looks like. And then I'm going to scrape it off first gently, and this is how it works. So the next thing I want to use is I want to use this little steel pick to do the details. Alright. So I use this steel toothpick to remove all the sides to see if I could pick up the small details. And then after that, what I did is I used this brush to wipe out everything, as much as I can. Same thing as here. Use a small use this. So you repeat that the same thing on the other headset. And then after that, see, take out the side detail a little bit. And then you use a brush. So after you cleaning it, you can see how much of the wax are there in here. That's pretty dirty, so you want to do this as frequent as you can if you wear it often. So the last thing you wanted to do is so after you finish the process of using all those 3 tools and cleaning as much wax as you can with the headset. So the last thing you wanted to do is you wanted to you get a clean wipe and wipe everything on the earpod outside and the inside of this that you just took it out. And then same thing as the other side. You want to wipe it out on the outside and this inside here. And then after that, you want to just wipe, slowly, gently wipe down everything, including the cord, because the cord gets dirty as well. So you want to clean it. You want to wipe off the wax that you had on this microfiber fabric. And now your headset looks new. And this is what the final looks like. And this is what the final, after cleaning, the ear part looks like.
Wow!
And it looks a lot cleaner than before. We basically remove a majority of the earwax. So if you enjoyed this video and get a lot of value from it, please share this with your friends or people who have earpods or AirPods of any sorts or some sort of earbuds or headphones so they can also clean their headphones. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Until then, I see you in the next video.